Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to the third video on this playlist, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a badge giver. But before we get into that, please make sure you guys like and subscribe, as it means the world to me, and let's get on with the video. Alright, so as you can see now, I'm on Studio View, and it's time we go ahead and create our badge giver. So to do this, we obviously need the part that's going to be the badge giver. So we're going to click on workspace, click on the plus icon, and click on part. And we're going to just like shape this, whatever, just like that. And yeah, pretty cool. We're also going to customize this maybe. And yeah, okay. So now we need to insert the script where we're going to be typing our code for this to work. So we're going to click on part. It's already highlighted for me. Click on script. And we're on a fresh script. So it's time we get to scripting this to work. So we're going to type in local BadgeService equal game get service. Make sure this is all spelled correctly, by the way, because obviously if you misspell just something like small in coding, it won't work. So this is pretty much just calling for the badge service, which is Roblox's integrated service for badges, to be called into the game. And now we need to write the ID of our badge. Now I don't have a badge ID, so I'm just gonna type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. But this, replace it with your own badge ID, by the way. I'll see if I can find a link of how to like do this, like a tutorial on how to find badges or how to basically insert a badge or make a badge. But yeah, that's not the point of this video. So we're gonna do 2 enters here, and we're gonna type in the next part of code, which is script.Parent.Touched connect, and then we're gonna type in function bracket hit. Boom. Just like that. That's pretty cool. So now we're going to type in the next piece, and as you can see, we have created our hit function. So our function here is called hit, and now we're going to type in it now. So we're going to type in if hit dot parent find first child. I'm gonna type in bracket and humanoid. Now, if you've watched the previous videos, you should now know what a humanoid is, hopefully. If you haven't watched it, the other videos, I recommend you check them out. But we're gonna type in then, and as you can see, we have created another function, kind of. Well, we got another end, so that's pretty cool. But now we're going to type in the next part, which is local plr equal game.Players and we'll type in GetPlayerFromCharacter, just like that. And we're going to type in hit.Parent. Pretty cool, right? And I'm going to type in badge service AwardBadge bracket plr dot user ID comma ID. This is not meant to be a comma, this is meant to be a dot. And as you can see, we have finished. So let me quickly break down everything so you guys understand. So local badge service equal game service, badge service, whatever this says. This is just calling the Roblox's integrated badge service into the game. Local ID, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. As I mentioned, replace this with your own one. So this is just stating what the badge ID is. Nothing too cool over there. Script.Parent.Touched connect function hit. So this is saying that if the player touches the brick or the part, the function called hit is going to start. And then it says here, if hit parent find first child humanoid. So this is basically saying that if the player were to touch the part, Roblox has to find the person's humanoid. And if it's found, then local PLR, GetPlayerFromCharacter, hit.Parent, So this part of code is one big thing, and it's basically telling you, or telling Roblox rather, to award the badge to the user ID. Now the user ID is basically the player's string of numbers. So if you actually want to check your user ID, all you have to do is head to your Roblox profile on the web, and you should see like roblox.com/random amount of numbers. Pretty cool, right? And yeah, this is literally the end of it. So now my issue is I won't be able to show you if this works, but I know it does because I've used this system in the past and whatnot. But my only issue is that this will not work in Studio. It only works in the actual Roblox players. So when you're making the script and you try it in Studio mode, like when you play in Studio mode, it will not work. I just want to make sure you guys know that before you start saying it doesn't work or whatnot. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, please make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next system I make.